After Maharashtra MLA Ravi Rana made a set of claims in an interview to CNN News 18, the huge claim that Uddhav Thackeray will join hands with the NDA. Remember, Uddhav Thackeray leads a faction of the Shiv Sena right now that is allied with the INDIA. But you had Ravi Rana making the claim that he would leave hands and join the NDA after the swearing-in ceremony took place. Now you have the Sena UBT's Sanjay Raut, so a senior leader in fact from the same faction, hitting back and saying that smaller leaders shouldn't discuss larger parties' plans. Our party leadership will take its own decision. No need for anyone else to interfere and comment. Just take a look at what Sanjay Raut had to say, then we'll connect with our all right, we'll play that out for you in a second. Let's go over to our colleague, our Mumbai Bureau Chief, Vinaya Deshpande. Vinaya, can you just tell our audiences, we'll just play out for our audiences exactly what Sanjay Raut said, but we've summarized it for our audiences already. When that big claim came in from Ravi Rana, what were the reverberations like within the UBT? What can you tell us?
Well, clearly it is unease because these kind of claims always seem to ruffle feathers. So it's not just the Uddhav Thackeray faction of Shiv Sena, but also the Eknath Shinde faction of Shiv Sena, which has been uneasy. Remember, Ravi Rana, who's an independent MLA, has claimed that till now his predictions have never been wrong. When it comes to Eknath Shinde, he claims that he had predicted that Eknath Shinde will break away from Uddhav Thackeray and will join the BJP, something he says did happen. Even with respect to Ajit Pawar, he claims he was the one who first predicted that Ajit Pawar will leave his uncle and will join the BJP, something that eventually happened. Now, Ravi Rana's sensational claim that within 20 days of the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Uddhav Thackeray will join hands with the BJP yet again. This after a break of 5 years till 2019, Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray was together with the BJP in an alliance in Maharashtra for decades at end. So after these comments have been made, what's interesting is that Sanjay Raut has not categorically denied it. He has said that smaller leaders should not look into larger parties and that the larger parties will take their own decisions and take their own course of action. Even with respect to the Congress reacting to these reports, it's very interesting, Toya. None of them have refuted these reports. Both the Congress, Vijay Wadettiwar while speaking to the media in Nagpur, Sanjay Raut while speaking to the media in Mumbai, have said that smaller leaders shouldn't interfere in the affairs of larger parties. Wadettiwar has gone on to question the standing of Ravi Rana himself, saying that he's an independent MLA, too small to comment on anything of that big a nature, but not really completely refuting the claims or denying the claims that have been made by Ravi Rana. So it's interesting. It's a developing side story in Maharashtra at a time when Eknath Shinde faction has also seemed a bit uneasy with these reports. In fact, they've said that the decision, in case something like this has to happen, will lie not just with Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, but also with Eknath Shinde, who's already a part of the alliance. So interesting dynamics
Vinaya,
playing
a
out
quick
here in
clarification
Maharashtra.
from you before we play out a conversation with Ravi Rana. We just want to ask you, some sources and outlets describing Ravi Rana as an independent MLA, but one who is part of the UBT camp. Would you agree with that description?
No, he is not a part of the
Right.
UBT clan. He is an independent MLA. In fact, he and his wife Navneet Rana, who was given a ticket by the BJP. Remember, both of them were independent. This time on, we have seen that Navneet Rana has been included within the BJP clan and has been given the whole controversy surrounding the couple about your Hanuman Chalisa is also not new. Maybe Ravi Rana, maybe Navneet Rana, the couple has been in the midst of a controversy every time. The Ravi Rana, who's the husband of Navneet Rana, who's currently fighting the Lok Sabha elections on a BJP ticket, much to the opposition of the local BJP cadres themselves. This time on, Ravi Rana has made this sensational claim while speaking from his constituency, while speaking
Okay.
to CNN News 18, saying that
Vinaya, let's
Uddhav
just play
Thackeray
out for
will
our
try.
audiences that exact conversation. Take a look.
रवि राणा जी, आपने क्लेम किया है कि इलेक्शंस होने के बाद उद्धव ठाकरे नरेंद्र मोदी के सपोर्ट में भाजपा के साथ आएंगे। क्या कहा है आपने एग्जैक्टली?
बिल्कुल, देश के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी जिस दिन